I've actually basically got one project on AI, which is a bit of a family production because that's together with my brother, who's a medic and now a hospital manager, and we looked at how we can preserve trust in AI, assuming that you cannot trust medical AI, but you should definitely preserve the trust between the medical professional and the patient. And we came up with something like 8 or 9, I think, recommendations for how that could be done. The paper's just been published in Nature Digital Medicine, and we are now going to expand on that, in particular with respect to medical decision-making and the way it can be implemented in clinical practice. Thank you.
Thank you, Lena.